Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl mama. What's up? In today's video I'm gonna show you how I prepared this peppered gizzard, and if you want to know how I prepared it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin I will start by washing the chicken gizzard. At the same time, I will recommend and suggest you wash your gizzard very well, even though it appears clean from shop. And as you can see, it's still blocked. And I'm going to be using warm water to wash the gizzard. I will also be using some salt to wash the gizzard. Yes, guys. So guys, after removing all this stuff, I will go ahead and wash it to 3 to 4 times. Yes, guys. So it's always advisable to wash your gizzard very well. Yeah, so continue watching. So guys, as you can see, this is the first one, and you can see all the things I removed out of the gizzard. I'm going to throw this water away and wash it again. And please don't forget to add some salt when you are washing your gizzard. Yeah. It helps to remove germs and all the bad bloods in the meats. Yes, guys. So guys, I'm repeating the same process the third time. At this stage, I'm done washing the meat. The next is to go ahead and start boiling it. But before then, I'm going to be adding Maggie seasonings, chopped onions, thyme, bay leaves. At this stage, just go ahead and add any seasonings of your choice. I also added kitchen glory, and it's optional, you can as well skip it. Next is to add a little water and allow it to cook.
Ten minutes later.
At this stage guys, I will be checking the meat, and right now it's almost ready.
A few moments later.
So guys, the meat is ready. I will step it aside. Next is to fry the meat.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
So guys, at this stage I'm done frying the meat. I'm gonna slice up all the ingredients, and I'm using ginger, garlic, paprika, tomatoes and bell peppers. So I'm gonna slice up everything and blend it with a little water. After blending, I'm gonna filter out the water. Next is to slice the bell peppers. Next is to heat up oil for the pepper gizzard. I will go ahead and add some thyme, and a little bit of Maggie seasoning and give it a quick mix. Now I will add in my sliced onions and leave it to fry 1 to 2 minutes. As the onions is frying, I'm gonna add some curry powder. Give it a quick stir to combine together. Next is to add my tomato paste and give it a quick mix. Fry for 2 minutes and do not allow it to get burnt.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and
A few moments later.
if I could lay down beside you, I would.
Next is to add my chili pepper and give it a quick stir. At this stage, I will be adding the blended paprika. And give it a quick mix.
A few moments later.
Right now, I will be adding the fried gizzard. Next is to combine together. Next is to add my aroma seasoning. At this stage, I'm gonna test it to check the seasonings and see if everything is okay. Next is to add my sliced onions and mix it up. Oh my gosh, the aroma of this pepper gizzard is something else. The smell is lovely. Yes guys, you can see how yummy it's looking, how delicious it's looking. Yes guys, at this stage I will go ahead and add the sliced bell peppers. Yes guys, so I'm gonna combine everything together and leave it for a few minutes to steam. Yes. Okay lovelies, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. Yes, I normally upload videos on weekly basis, And if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much. So guys, there will be an end screen that will pop out at the end part of this video. Please do well to check it out, and feel free to check out my other videos. I have a lot of interesting videos. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao, bye.
Yo.